played for India, I was criticized for not being disciplined and not being that focused as I had to be. So I ignored that in the first part because I thought, okay, I'm gonna perform, so all these things don't have to bother me. But yeah, I mean, if someone criticizes you, it's better to actually take the criticism and look into it. If something's wrong, you try to correct it rather than just being blunt and just ignoring the world. And yeah, I looked upon it because I was out of the team after that for a while, and I sat and I analyzed what I did wrong and improved on a lot of things. And it was good that I decided to take that criticism and actually change the stuff I needed.
It's not easy. I mean, if you ask me, do I get affected by failure? Yes, I do. Everyone does. I'm human at the end of the day. So it's difficult to process failure at such a big stage. But also you have to understand that, I totally believe in the fact that what's meant to be for you will happen. All we can do is work hard and put in our best effort. As long as your intent is right, your heart is in the right place, and you're going along the right path, and you're doing things with the right intent, that's all you can do. Because no one wants to go out there and fail or not succeed or have moments like this. No one wants to do that. No one wants to experience that. But success and failure is a part of everything that we do in life. Whether it's sport, whether it's in daily life, whether you lose someone close to you, whether it's a problem in your job, anything. It is the truth of life, and you need to be able to accept both with grace. That's the thing that I've learned. You can't go gung-ho when you